Yeah, the problem is the leadership. Both the majority group and the minority group, and I think that Babin also coming across as one of the worst speakers that we've ever experienced in this country. Worst.
And when he said I will not preside over a weak parliament. Worst
parliament. And the August House. This one they are the September House. Wait. Emoya hachen bibia. Because nipa dodo na anti die nti ko mawura machine bedwem. Omo nti ase abeto omo wokwamra mo ewura machine bedwem. You are serving the interests of the country. Umpe Ilevia and also speaker kunya na e ma Ilevia stop on.
Is no ho na ebo ho ban.
Umpe Ilevia. Yeah. A speaker. Ono na kunya no teso no e ma Ilevia ya adwuma na senya adwuma. So person the Ilevia ba. And so e say chinchin how dey ahode owiase nyina ahode message na e the Ilevia ba na. In any case, NDC for more power ba. Say NPP for my NDC for Ghana for one chiro mo a. Say bukwa den kamo no masa cross enka Ghana for one chiro 2024. Ye nyina wi adwuma.
Yeah.
What's your problem? O na abetire obi ono no pese odi nkugo no de ntama ne nkugo. E be kwa hopetumi abam.
Enka mbo so ano so so ano so na.
Waka baako waka mienu waka mensa. On fanya adwuma. Yes. Me see until we get to the point where sebe obi nkasa sensi. You better tell them Rashi Bejani be po zram. One sorry, nothing. Yeah, buy also. Yeah, we have only one Ghana. We continue to have one Ghana, but the level of partisanship, Eura Ghana for Museseno, Titi na Eura Ghana for all this is as a result of ego, pride, a lot of things.
Video,
yeah. Meaning is a sadaj, media one dajibia. Young fine encourage a year one of my Juma say on per Juma, one Ekosuku, one or more at Dine Castle, December, January. One I could use school fees January. Yeah, Cromono, San Comono, Mr. I mean, I'm correct. You met me with my bush for into any day. Maybe can't be because or no, what to deep a child. Or mother don't Ukraine. Or mammy said, Tam, as I take condition to V8 more. It won't know pretense or more now. Wow, Facebook now, out if you're on Yajma. When you didn't take a car, what fun I want so. And I walk and I pay. Will be a sorry comes as if say MPP. Yeah, or no, or driving issue. Will be a common service. Ono kwa na see a corner so bia no yin na bedu na yen kwan ho because man chichiri anye we mosi adwuma no nye esmo to mo dan edipitu mi mosi adwuma nye esmo to mo car edipitu mi mosi adwuma no nye esmo for always a means edipitu mi both sides. So it tells you that they are milking the system and they are milking the country. Nanka sebi yeah the budget abeto na say e live in edi hu nchino and no every attempt to talk about e-living adia ko speaker akonya adia bo bi blow mo bi tishe mo bi atade tete. Now since when did we start cultivating this shameful attitude? It's because here Omaino didn't get angry enough. Ghanaians didn't get angry enough because we didn't just subject them to that needed it's just a tip of the iceberg. Second any tutu no I want the person edu because you encourage SCC no at the end of 9 o'clock. Nobody is bothered about it.
Yeah.
Because we are much show be bia nam ne kwa mo aji obi ewu ansa na o man ni nyina betena se aka se ba bia du no aji ya wo obi sikan ansa na yedu ahu se
parliament.
Yeah, but ana meka se yensua papa wo bibia mu o man yensua papa bia yetu kwan kwaji nim de wa manone ade ensem fata emo amanone no ene de bo man nim wo hwe yenwuma yeto wo hwe ya ho siesie wo hwe ya kasa wo hwe de ekoso emra hibudwuma ye nyina yetu kwan nyina we never pick the good side of what is happening out there. The omo are rejecting update sa suna emma kruntimi ntumpo no eno na afena abani ayuni bia we are glorifying it just say wo censorship board or whatever hwa ho siesie ni bia nam tan wo come say right you cannot untimi chichiri Ghana tisa krobiso. That's the mistake. If we don't look at Yanka say strength and weakness and chichiri mind Yes, yeah, fatun de bia. We lack that principle, that maturity to behave as some of them are behaving. Enti mesremo a omano the principles and standards no atiaba form take time. Bibia hwehwe form. There is no voice that is now obetimanya even that power no say obase bibi adwobro bi ba mrase bedwom. Say bi no two for kra ho kasa kra che na dwe no. You look at the equal measures kra mo sade man. So yeni atra yeni nton. Honestly speaking, yeni atra yeni nton. And they are behaving as if some that's school no more student politics. It may catch us says oh bibi pabiya. No man can nipa or didn't want to nipa so. Especially I don't want to political party and our politicians. You are dead and gone, already dead and gone. Dead and gone. I will really not waste enough time on it because I'm out for a pesika on betim dia di bronya. Eti me ahwe mama, eti omo rent.
I'm out for adabo hokro onidi. And I do 10 11 ono. Onidi you.
That's the major challenge that
and
we have.
And penifo na so omo hyemra mo nya aduane ni.
That's what nyame asem no ka say. Ye so man mu penifo ebi evu ti say nkwada totofewa. Wo. Inti wo. Ye o man no just say ye nwie kra because man penifo bi evu ti say nkwada no. So anya careful a nyoma obetimi aye nyoma betimi asi nyoma betimi akoso no ebebro adwene ntiase so TCJ media nyame anim ni I only came to encourage say let us not really put our trust in politicians and political parties. Let's put our trust in onyame na ono de buy ono nim kwan a obafa so obadwene ye no yi free muso ni esane a ho kire biam. Unfortunately ebinimu edi political parties and politicians so omunya many omo. And that's where the problem is. That's why no credit asa. That's why ahokire buburo any emremu odeno so e kosoro my ganam. That's why we have never solved any problem as a country, but they be a knee-jerk reactions in Kwani. That's why Kumasi Accra Road, Ebekoso Adaho, IBC ne, Ebebro, Abambeko. That's why Umushi see a Dijabia Guakwema. Yeah, we say unemployment rate Equan Ecosuru. You bet me now, you stabilize and I say minimize. That's why Udasoko Kulibu surgical. And then it's when Ankasakwana, a bit mam woo, a Dana Kasawa Dana, a bit. That's why only Pepia knew how Ghana or Juma, majority of them civil servants, public servants, obia per cutting corners to make life. That's why Okoye Portukrana or more Jira Ghana name I was a pepe obey Jumano. A mudu dona na do dona na ebinimu e fakwati kwanso e de no ma ensem fata. That's why ebesine frontiers from we adwuma Ghana no kran yenim how that thing is still operating there and the real circumstances. That's why on my team no wa we kontomponi na wo okosoro na wa also be man kredi aye adwuma no obe kan fifi na be kan sesemu. That is why me no ka say a driver for betimi ate atua na ye nipa bi mu de na ye nipa bi mu so say enkoso saa on my nan kasa saa dwene ye de dwene ma on man punto timi konkan na etimi di mu na ewie pe no saa dwene no asa enu nti na obi timi kofa kala na odi ahye enkokọ funu say frozen fresh adwene no because etie na kasa pro. That's why a president of a land will run away from a certain responsibility. Say you can't blame me the times that we find ourselves in. The problem we continue to have, especially this parliament, is leadership. They failed themselves. Because Omukasa Obienti.
Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 16 na ukoti na. Asidue wasase a wo hene ana wo mpanifo ye amofra.
Yeah.
Na uma pomma to pono anopa.
Update.
Brofno say, woe to thee, O land, when thy king is a child, and thy princes eat in the morning.
Yeah, but politically exposed. These are big boys. Omotimenya daji kraku suye dia do na wa mano. It is suwe na ke.